5B with extended chassis. Just gonna do a couple runs. Yeah, got the Akill Racing wheels on here, tire, the Losi 5T 1.0 rims, Vitavon B-lock rings. Pretty cool build, man. 12S, Max 4 hobbywing, hobbywing 800 kb, the MCD RR5 Max body on here. I'm gonna run around in the grass, see how this thing is looking. These are strictly off-road tires, so we are going to watch where it runs. Last time I had this build out, it did a phenomenal job. Let's see how it does today. Yeah, we'll just start the GPS now. Track. Start. Stop. Read. Track. Start. We'll just run around the grass a little bit, see what it does. Sorry. Let's see what speed we got. And we're just fooling around. Oh, 74 miles an hour. That's pretty wild. All right, y'all, we're back at it. Put some Onyx batteries in here. We're gonna see how this baby can do. All right. These are new wheels, so I have to really gear accordingly. You know, Proline Badlands, them things balloon, so they give you all kind of free speed. These you gotta gear them trickier because they do not balloon at all. I'm trying to beat our 89 mile an hour record. Might not beat it today, so we're just trying to find the right tune for this. GPS right here. Track, start. Stop, read, 1 mile an hour. Track. Speed registering. Start. Yeah, let's see what we can do today. I don't know how it's gonna be. I got the Onyx 9500 6S high voltage packs in here, and I'm not running high voltage. Maybe next pass we'll do that. No high voltage today. go. Let's see what that was. I'll tell you, these wheels are the truth though. Stop, red, 88 miles an hour. Oh my God. 88 miles an hour. Damn, Badlands, man, woo. Right here. Stop, start. Stop, red, 1 mile an hour. Stop. Stop. Dude, that was... I'll tell you, you really gonna prove that. Stop, red, 88 miles an hour. Oh my God. 88 miles an hour. Damn, Badlands, man, woo! We'll try one more pass, just for the hell of it, alright? One more pass.